It's a firefly night. When the moon is high and the stars are bright, Daddy tells me it's a firefly night. I hop off the porch. I feel the air warming my legs and messing my hair. Grass tickles my toes. I zip through the yard, chasing fireflies to put in my jar. Fireflies shimmer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My jar is like a light bulb that just comes alive. Fireflies glimmer. All of them glow. I race to show Daddy their dancing light show. Flickering quicker, they sparkle and shine. I love catching fireflies, but they are not mine. I take one gently out of the jar. My hand is a cage for one tiny star. Uncurling my hand, easy and slow, I whisper goodbye, then I let it go. Soon, many fireflies open their wings. They flitter and flutter, soar over my swings. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Drift through moonlight. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blink in the night. We walk back to the house. I hold Daddy's hands tight.
Will tomorrow,
I asked,
be a firefly night?